In this video we're going to be removing this lower trim off of a 2012 Range Rover Sport model. We're going to be removing this little lower panel on the tailgate, so the trunk lid. Alright, so this whole trim is held by clips. It's the clips breaking apart. There's really no way to save these clips. They're really fragile, brittle, and old. Alright, so this is one of the clips. It's broken, so that's what it is. Now we're just gonna work our way through the whole thing. And this is what's going on. So there's two different types of clips on here. There's some black ones on the edges, and then there's going to be these yellow ones. As far as I see, is these just pop out. So towards the center, it's mainly these white, yellow ones that they just pop in. These are pretty easy. This is one of them. And the outer ones are the ones that usually break.